Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we continue to learn simple electrical circuit elements. In our future videos, I am often going to build my experiment on a breadboard. So let's learn together what is a breadboard. When we look at the breadboard in general, we see that it has a sequential and perforated structure. Its perforated structure allows us to connect circuit elements. First thing I want to note is what's going on behind the scenes on a breadboard and how it works. You will notice you have two power rails, one on each side. They run the entire length of the breadboard. You have your positive and negative, but something to note is they are not connected. So this is a separate power rail than this. Therefore, if you want, you can use two different power supplies at the same time. The other thing to notice is on the build section of the breadboard, which is between the power rails. There are two sections where the power rails are connected this way. The build sections, they're connected this way, and they are separated in the middle. So here's what it looks like inside of a breadboard. You got the power rails, which go the entire length this way, and then you have your build sections, which are split in the middle, and these are connected. So all these holes are connected this way, and they're divided in the middle. The meaning of this, each hole in this direction acts like the same wire. Now let's learn how to connect the circuit elements to the breadboard. I have two types of breadboards that I can show you. One of them is a standard full-size breadboard. Other is a standard middle-size breadboard. You can find them in different sizes and colors. Regardless of size and color, all of them have the same function and use. Sometimes you might need more space for your more complex projects. Don't worry, you can create a larger workspace by combining breadboards. The connection points are here. Okay, I have a resistor. Now let's connect this to the breadboard. It connects to the breadboard like this. As you can see, holes are used for connection. That's all for today, my friends. I hope we have both learned and enjoyed ourselves. Thank you very much for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment for more. Goodbye for now.